Hello students, with the prevailing COVID pandemic and the changing scenario of the education system, wherein we have shifted from offline classroom teaching to the online teaching, this semester our exam patterns have also been slightly changed. Initially we used to have elaborate explanatory longer questions of 15 marks and 10 marks for degree BCom exams. And now, because we are shifting to the online exam system, we've also made it simpler for the students, wherein they can answer a simple 1 mark multiple choice MCQ questions. The MCQ questions to answer, you need to be very thorough with the concepts. You need to have a deeper understanding of the concepts, and only then it will be easier for you to answer the MCQ questions, unlike wherein you used to write for a brief elaborative explanatory questions. Even the slight idea of the theme, you could explain it from pages together. So let us now understand how we can answer the MCQ questions related to financial management. So here I have tried to give a few sample questions from the first unit of financial management, that is the nature and scope of financial management, unit 1 as per the KUD syllabus and the Government Arts and Science Autonomous College Department of Commerce syllabus. So let us see how we can answer these MCQ questions related to the first module of financial management. So the first question here, business finance deals primarily with planning, raising, administering and disbursing funds by privately owned business units operating in non-financial field of industry. You need to answer whether this statement is true or false. The statement here is true. Now the second question, financial management is the part of management which is concerned with raising of funds in the most economical manner and using them profitably. So let us see whether this statement is true or false. So the statement given above is true. The third question, profit maximization objective is vague and ignores the time value of money. The statement given is true or false. You need to answer. This statement is true. The question 4, wealth maximization objective is vague and ignores time value of money. The statement is true or false. This statement is false. Wealth maximization objective considers time value of money and it is a very clear objective. So that's why this statement is false. Now the question 5, to maximize wealth, avoid high level of risk, maintain growth in sales, maintain the market price of the equity shares, all the above. So the answer for this question number 5 is all the above. Question 6 has two statements. Read the statements carefully. There will be sometimes questions wherein they give you two statements and they ask which of the statement is true or whether both the statements are true. So you need to be very clear with the concepts to answer these kind of questions. Otherwise, if you are not clear with the concepts, the answers writing for the multiple choice questions will be very confusing. Now statement 1 here says profit maximization is narrow concept whereas wealth maximization is broader concept. Statement 2 says profit maximization considers time factor, whereas wealth maximization does not consider the time factor. So the answers given are statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, both statement 1 and 2 are true, both statement 1 and 2 are false. So what will be your answer here? The statement 1 is true, whereas the statement 2 is false, because profit maximization does not consider time factor. It is the wealth maximization which considers the time factor. So the statement is given in a reverse way in order to confuse you. So you need to very carefully read and then answer. So the answer for this question is statement 1 is true. Question 7. Factors affecting the financial decisions are cost of capital, financial leverage, market conditions, all the above. Cost of capital, financial leverage and market conditions, all these three factors affects the financial decision. So the answer for this question is all the above. Question 8. External factors influencing financing decisions are the size of the firm, nature of the business, age of the firm, liquidity position, all the above. Size of the firm definitely influences the financing decision. Nature of the business, age of the firm also influence the financing decision. Liquidity position of the firm also influences the financing decision. So the answer for the question number 8 is all the above. Question 9. Internal factors influencing financing decisions. Size of the firm, nature of the business, age of the firm, liquidity position, all the above, none of the above. So answer for this question is again all the above, because all these factors are the internal factors which influences the financing decisions of a firm. Question 10 here, read it very carefully. External factors influencing the financing decisions: economic conditions, government regulations, taxation policy, all the above. Yes, all these three are the external factors. They all influence the financing decision. So the answer for the question 10 is all the above. Question 11. Managerial functions of a financial management are financial planning, investment decisions, dividend decisions, all the above. All these three are the managerial functions of a financial management. So the answer for this question is all the above. Question 12. Routine or incidental functions of financial management is to ensure the supply of funds, to negotiate with the bankers, to safeguard the important documents, securities and the cash balance, record keeping and reporting, all the above. So all these four are the routine or incidental functions of a financial management. So the answer for the question 12 is all of the above. Question 13. Financial manager has responsibility towards owners and creditors, employees and customers, government and the society, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Question 14. Window dressing is a situation when the financial statements are made to show the better state of affairs of the company by inflating the amount of profit in the profit and loss account. B. Showing better financial position in the balance sheet by improving debt equity and the current ratio just at the end of the financial year. Both of the above are ways of window dressing, or none of these two are the ways used by the firm for window dressing a financial situation. So the answer here is inflating the amount of profit in the P&L account as well as showing a better financial position in the balance sheet. Both are the ways to window dress a situation in a firm. So the answers are both the above. So this is how your questions will be in financial management, internals and external exam. If the questions are not descriptive, explanatory, instead if the question paper pattern includes multiple choice questions. So try to study the whole syllabus of financial management, wherein you can thoroughly understand the concept so that it will be easy for you to answer the multiple choice questions. All the best for your exams. Thank you.